am going to Kansas. We are planting some corn in Seneca, Kansas. So we are heading that way shortly. But first, I'm going to finish packing, and then I have to get some coffee. Van Buskirk's chocolate bar. If you follow me on Instagram at all, you know that I pretty much work there all the time. Great people, great food, great coffee, great chocolates, great ice cream, great everything. Next time you're in St. Peter's, Cottleville, check them out. You will not be disappointed. It's really raining out there.
Now to set up the match and call today's play-by-play, here are your hosts, David Lloyd and Billy Packer.
Back to the left.
$1,000 skins game.
Not enough.
Putt-putt.
So,
$1,000 a hole.
Chance to win a nice piece of change. It'd be nice to see.
Look at these guys.
Strictly $1,000 skin.
This is awesome. All right, Danny Dorr.
Once again, there's only $1,000 riding on
You and your sweater can make this, buddy. I believe in you. No.
Let's see if he's got a chance.
Oh, I made it! Congratulations, Danny Dorr.
What do you want to start off with? How about Danny? He's one.
Thank you, Brad, for sending this to me. Just got done watching. So that was our most recent video that we've made at Master's Choice, and I would just encourage you. I didn't make that video. It was really, really good. It's the first time I've seen it. Aaron, sorry I didn't get to watch it before you posted, buddy, but that was really, really good. I don't know if you guys care about agriculture or anything having to do with farms, but if you do at all, I would really, really suggest you subscribed to Master's Choice's YouTube channel. I'm a part of it, I'm proud of it, and it's just a lot of fun to work with some really talented people. Aaron, you crushed the video, buddy. Way to go. I was told that the truck that's coming to pick me up is running late because Jace has to go potty a lot.
Of course I peed my pants. Everybody my age pees their pants. It's the coolest.
Come on, Jace. You're better than that. What's up, y'all?
What's up? The central and eastern parts of Kansas are very
I thought it was supposed to be nice. What's going on back here?
By tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Garden. Ponca City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds
you book us, Buster. Do not back in, everybody. Do not back in.
I don't actually know if I should be on this comforter or not. We made it. Now we're gonna hang out the rest of the night, find some food, have a couple drinks, and plan for an early morning tomorrow. And I don't know if I've ever stayed in a motel, actually. I take that back. I've stayed in a motel, but this one takes the cake. I'm sitting here working on this edit and I realized I forgot to say goodbye. We got some good footage, told a good story. We were on the farm at like 6 a.m. so the footage was really pretty, and I just wanted to leave you guys with a little bit of it before I sign off for the night, because it's been a long day. We've been on the road a long time and I'm tired. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.
I'll look around until I found someone who laughs like you.
I've been in debt, what feels like a million. I know my TV set's trifling my brilliance. I stay home, smoking alone. Ghetto prophet stepped on my door. Tell me, beautiful, are you looking for more than a 9 to 5 and flip-flopping guy? He said, I know you are your dreams to discover, and a good lover. He said, you will find that something's gotta give, something's gotta give.
Get out of there.